Kia Motors is renowned for manufacturing affordable vehicles that are built with high-quality parts and strong craftsmanship. Unfortunately, this brand has also faced numerous consumer complaints in recent years due to vehicle defects that manifest within the warranty period. If you're a Kia owner in California frustrated by frequent repairs on your car, the California Lemon Law could offer a solution for you. In this video, we will provide you with essential information on how to finally resolve the issue through the California Lemon Law to not only get rid of your defective Kia, but also receive financial compensation. We will discuss what the Kia Buyback is, outline the eligibility criteria for compensation, and discuss some of the common defects found in Kia vehicles. In addition, we will explore which Kia models are affected and guide you through the initial steps of filing a Lemon Law claim. So, let's get started. To begin with, what is the Kia Lemon Law buyback settlement option? Under the California Lemon Law, if a car manufacturer sells a defective vehicle to a consumer, they bear a legal responsibility either to repair the vehicle or compensate the owner. Kia can offer to provide compensation for the inconvenience through the buyback settlement. With this arrangement, Kia will buy back the defective vehicle from you and offer a cash settlement. The settlement amount will include the entire sum you paid for the vehicle, any sales and financing charges, previous and future monthly payments, all out-of-pocket expenses related to repairs, towing, and vehicle rentals. This will also include all civil penalties that may be imposed on Kia by the court. Next, let's discuss the typical defects found in Kia vehicles that frequently lead to Lemon Law claims. You may find these examples to be alarmingly familiar. Check engine light, anti-theft prevents starting, electrical issues, faulty airbags, emergency brake failure, transmission slippage and jerking, excessive oil consumption, defective seatbelts, suspension issues, and steering pulls in one direction. Have you experienced any of these problems with your Kia? There are other potential issues not mentioned here, and your Kia may be encountering different problems altogether. However, what matters is that any recurring issue that substantially affects your vehicle's performance, safety, or resale value could potentially serve as valid grounds for filing a complaint. Now, let's address which Kia models are eligible for filing a Lemon Law claim. The following Kia models have been commonly mentioned in Lemon Law complaints: Kia Cadenza, Kia Forte, Kia K900, Kia Niro, Kia Optima, Kia Rio, Kia Sedona, Kia Sorento, Kia Soul, Kia Sportage, Kia Stinger, and the Kia Telluride. Have you encountered any problems with any of these Kia models? When you think about it, it's simply unfair for any consumer to bear the burden of owning a defective vehicle. The responsibility lies with the car manufacturer to address this issue, and you deserve to receive fair compensation for all the inconvenience caused. The California Lemon Law offers a potential solution for your lemon problem. Moving on, how can you ensure that Kia compensates you for your defective vehicle? To initiate this process, you will need to file a Lemon Law claim, which requires your vehicle to meet one of the following criteria. The car must have been returned to the dealership at least twice to address a significant safety defect. The car must have been returned to the Kia dealership at least 4 times to address a non-safety issue. The vehicle must have been kept at the dealership for over 30 days due to a combination of different issues. Here's the intriguing part. If your Kia meets any of these criteria within the first 18,000 miles or the first 18 months, it is automatically deemed a lemon according to the law, making you eligible for compensation from the automaker. However, many of our clients ask whether their Kia is still eligible for Lemon Law coverage if the repair issues occur after the initial 18-month or 18,000-mile period. The answer is yes, your vehicle can still potentially qualify for compensation. Here's how this could play out. If you possess a Kia in California that experiences persistent and significant defects at any point during the warranty period, even after the first 18 months or 18,000 miles, and Kia fails to provide a satisfactory solution despite several repair attempts, you may have a strong case for a Lemon Law claim. To ensure that you receive fair compensation, it's critical to start the process and file a Lemon Law claim against Kia as soon as possible. Now, what is the first step in initiating your Lemon Law claim against Kia? Your very first objective should be to ascertain whether or not you have a feasible case. In California, the most experienced Lemon Law lawyers offer an initial consultation that's totally free of charge, and you should make use of this opportunity to have your case evaluated by a legal professional. Your attorney will evaluate the viability of your case, propose a legal approach tailored to your particular situation, and provide crucial guidance and updates throughout the entire process. Get in touch with us today for a free consultation and discover within minutes whether you have a valid lemon law case. So, we have covered the first step of confirming whether your lemon law claim is viable, and your lawyer has confirmed that your vehicle qualifies. So what comes next? Naturally, the next important step is to engage the services of a Kia Lemon Law attorney. If you are concerned about legal fees, and you should be, the best part of hiring an attorney in a lemon law case is that it comes with no financial burden. Yes, you heard that right. Your attorney can provide all the necessary services at no cost to you. In California, most reputable lemon law attorneys operate under a no-win, no-fee policy, which simply means that Kia, the auto manufacturer, will pay their fees as part of the settlement. Your attorney will only have their paycheck if they win your case, so you don't need to worry about incurring any upfront fees. Don't delay any longer. Take a proactive step today by consulting with an attorney and initiating the process. It's about time to have the issue resolved and secure the rightful compensation you deserve. Remember, the law is on your side, and you don't have to remain stuck with a lemon. For assistance to file a claim, call 323-553-7525 or visit lemonlawyers.org today.